In previous discussions on our platform, we delved into the significance of maintaining the health of various organs within our body. Yet, one organ that has not received the spotlight in our video series is the pancreas. Nestled behind the stomach in the upper abdomen, the pancreas plays a pivotal role in the endocrine system. It serves the dual function of producing insulin and generating digestive enzymes, crucial for the breakdown of fats and carbohydrates during the food digestion process. The pancreatic juice, essential for proper digestion and nutrient processing, is a product of this organ. Any glitch in this intricate process can lead to inadequate digestion and subsequently hinder the absorption of essential nutrients. It's alarming to note that certain diseases can compromise the pancreas, diminishing its size or impeding its ability to produce vital digestive enzymes and hormones. Conditions such as cystic fibrosis, diabetes, pancreatitis, and cancer may result from insufficiency, inflammation, or malfunction of this crucial organ. This brings us to the focus of our discussion today: pancreatitis. Gastroenterologists assert that there is a cure for pancreatitis if detected early and treated appropriately. Treatment typically involves a combination of intravenous fluids, antibiotics, analgesics, and other medical interventions. While medical treatment is paramount, there are also natural remedies that can be explored in conjunction with conventional methods. For instance, incorporating apple cider vinegar into the regimen may help alleviate pain and discomfort associated with pancreatitis. Once the treatment commences, it is imperative to prioritize your recovery. Taking proactive measures such as eliminating alcohol and cigarettes from your lifestyle can significantly contribute to the healing process. A dietary shift towards low-fat foods is recommended, as is an increased intake of fluids to counteract dehydration, a common consequence of pancreatitis. Furthermore, sustaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise is beneficial for long-term pancreas health. By adopting these lifestyle changes, individuals can contribute to their overall well-being and enhance the effectiveness of medical interventions in managing and recovering from pancreatitis.